Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Math Notes on your iPhone or iPad device. So if you want to use Math Note on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can use Math Notes on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version of iOS 18. So first of all, here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS, or you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version of iOS 18. So here you will need to open Calculator app on your iPhone device. So after that, you will see this type of interface. Here we have tap on this. Then after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you can see that here is the option of Math Notes. Here we have tap on this. So here you can see that Math Notes has been opened here. So here you have to tap on pencil icon on your iPhone device. So here you can see that now the notes have been showing up on my iPhone device. So here you can ask any query from your iPhone device. So here you can ask any query. Here you can see that it's calculating by itself. So here you can also tap on this, and here you can also write anything from here plus equal sign, and here you can see that here it solved itself. So here you can see that in this way you can use notes on your iPhone or iPad device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So in this way you can use Math Notes on your iPhone or iPad device. You can use any type of notes on your iPhone device in iOS 18 if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So in this way you can use notes on your iPhone device So in this way you can use Math Notes on your iPhone or iPad device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get me all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.